it's Lori with Giggle Girl Arts. I have another video for the 5 Days of Easter collab with the digital kits made by DearJulieJulie and CaraBrandon. If you have questions about the collaboration, there will be a link down in the description box so you can find out all those details. I wanted to tell you right now that the hashtag is 5daysEaster2022. There's no spaces. Make sure you use that hashtag when you post in any social media. Because they're going to have a playlist made using the hashtag. And that way you can find what everybody makes. Also down in the description box, I will have a list of all of the design team members called elves, because Cara and Julie's first collaboration was for Christmas, and so we've been elves. Let's see, they have these kits and all Easter kits in their Etsy shops for 50% off until March 31st. So if you really like what you're seeing, go and grab them. Let's see, I shared the kits on day 00, which would have been March 23rd, and I will put an iCard right here. And you can see what the kit looks like. They also had some supplemental kits, and there were also any previous Easter kits I think Julie put on sale. I'm not sure about Cara, but I think so. Last Friday, March 25th, was day 1, and I'll put the iCard right there, and you can watch that video of mine. Make sure you check out everybody in the list. There's over 20 collaborators. Today, March 30th, is day 2, and here are what the pages looked like before I got started. And I had a few pieces left over from day 1 that I didn't end up using, and I used some of them for day 2. I'm not going to go through my whole process. I had to do a quick video. I've got stuff going on with my mom. Before I go any further, though, I would like to say greetings and giggles to Denise at PaperKraftD. She left a comment. Thank you. And let's see. So here are the items that I made for day 1. And then for day 2, I just made it easy for myself. I left the little file cards as file cards, but to combine Julie and Cara's kits from the little wreaths from day 1, I added in the butterfly, this butterfly, and the bow. I inked the edges, and then there's a little bit of stamping right in here on each one. Alright, then there was this piece, and I made it into a most likely small belly band. But to combine the 2 kits, oh my gosh, I didn't put anything of Cara's on here. I will make sure I do that for day 3. Alright, then from Julie's kit was this, I think it's an actual antique, a scan of an antique page from an old scrapbook. She talks about it on her channel. So then I have one of the little labels or tabs that Cara made, and this was a piece left over from the day 1. I added some ribbon, I inked the edges, I have the little flower here and the dot, enamel dot or glitter dot. So that is that one little journaling card. Then this is a fold open card, and I essentially added almost, you know, the tab, the flower, the jewel, or dot, glue dot. And on this one. Now I do have a few pieces left that come from both of the kits. While you're here, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you care to, and hit the bell. And I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye. Oh, watch one of these other videos. It helps my YouTube channel grow. Okay, you can't really see out my window, but can you hear how windy it is? I think spring is coming in like a lion. What do you think?